Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about, do you actually need social media to grow your Etsy business, to get sales, to drive traffic? Do you really need a following? So if you want to learn a little bit more about my perspective on how I have used social media for my actual stores, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you grow an impactful online business. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, if you guys are interested in learning how to make passive income selling digital goods, make sure that you join my Arts Printable Etsy course. I will leave the link below so you guys could go to the sales page and learn more about it. So let's go ahead and dive in. The reason why I'm doing this video today is because the other day I had a subscriber that wants to join my Etsy course, but their main concern was I don't have a following. So they're concerned about that they need a following in order to make money from Etsy. And that's actually far from the truth. You don't need any type of following to start making money on Etsy. So I wanted to do a video and I wanted to be as honest as possible as I can and kind of explain how I was successful with my Etsy stores without social media, pretty much. So I wanted to talk about that. So do you need social media for your Etsy business? My answer is yes and no. And I'm going to go more in detail on why I believe it's yes or no. So my first year on Etsy, in 2016, I made a little bit over $21,000. And that was with no social media. So I had my social media profiles like that I was using for my own brand that I've been having now for 11 years. However, I wasn't using it to promote. Now, I did start promoting. I remember I did promote a couple items, but I didn't get any sales from Instagram at all from my account because originally my Instagram account was for bloggers. It was all about digital marketing, how to learn to build a blog, how to make passive income with your blog, how to do SEO for your blog, etc. That's all I talked about. So as soon as I started promoting wedding invites into an audience that was more for blogging, they weren't interested in my products. So obviously I wasn't targeting to the right people. And I was just mixing it with that account versus creating a separate account that I will only target people that were getting married. I didn't do that. I didn't do it correctly. So if you go back to my Instagram account, you will find some posts, but I wasn't doing it correctly. And those didn't really get me any sales, to be honest with you. I think it didn't get me any sales at all, to be quite honest. And I didn't have a Pinterest account. I didn't have a Facebook account for my Etsy shop. And I still made $21,000 my first year. The second year, I was able to triple that by $86,000. And I opened additional stores as well. And even those stores, I didn't have any social media. At one point, I was like, my main store now that has over 10,000 listings, I decided to do a Instagram account and a Pinterest account because those were my two favorite platforms to promote. And I did it for a couple months and then I neglected those accounts because I got tired of promoting because it was too many things to manage. Now I'm doing 6 Etsy stores. That's when I started my YouTube career. Then I transitioned my whole entire brand from blogging to Etsy coach and small business owners. So it was just so much on my plate. I didn't have the time to keep up with it. So to be quite honest with you guys, I've been able to make a lot of money, a lot of passive income on Etsy without social media. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. So if you are a new Etsy owner or thinking about starting your Etsy store, I do recommend social media for many reasons. The first one is for branding. Even if you start your store today and you decide, okay, this is going to be too much work. I'm already overwhelmed with Etsy. I'm trying to learn the platform. I'm trying to create items. My store is not full. I don't have enough things to promote. If you feel that way, all you have to do pretty much is make sure that for branding purposes, You get your name, your store name, available across all social media platforms. Go through each one, sign up for an account, and reserve that name. That way no one else uses it later on, or whenever you're ready to sign up, your name is not gone. So make sure that you do that for branding purposes. That way, when you are ready to promote your listings on social media, you have the same name across all social media platforms. That's another mistake I made in my career, because some of my handles were Nancy Badillo, then some were Nancy Badillo 13, then some were Blog with Nancy. It was so many different names that if somebody wanted to find me on Facebook, they wouldn't be able to find my business because I was under a different name than what I was on on Instagram, or vice versa, Reddit, or whatever other platform I was using. This is why, for branding purposes, you want your name to be the same across all platforms. Another reason why you want to use social media, whether it's now or in the future, is to scale your business. Social media is great for brand awareness. It's great for other brands to see you. It's great for building a reputation. So if you ever want to scale your business, you start making money through Etsy, and now you're ready to take it to the next level, social media will help you with that. You cannot just solely say, okay, I'm going to depend on the traffic that Etsy sends me. You have to eventually use other platforms to drive additional traffic back to your store. And this is a necessary thing. Also, doing Etsy ads will help you as well, or doing ads outside of Etsy as well. And with the social media platform, it drives additional traffic back to your Etsy store. So just keep that in mind. Finding your target audience on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and driving additional traffic back to your store. So if I was to recommend anyone out there that's starting a business right now, it's their first business, the first thing I would say is open your Etsy store, start collecting emails right now, and also reserve your names across all social media platforms. That way, when you're ready to start promoting your business, you have enough listings, you're able to do so. But don't think that you need 50,000 followers on Instagram or 10,000 followers on Facebook in order to start promoting your business, or in order to even start a business, right? You have to start to be great. Just keep that in mind. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. And you don't need social media to be successful. Does it help you scale your business to the next level? Does it help you attract new buyers? Of course it does. But do you solely need it to be successful on Etsy? No, you don't. Take it from me, from someone that has been able to build a business on Etsy. Even though I played around with social media for the stores, I really didn't take it serious. Not as serious as my brand right now. Why? Because I was managing too many things at once. So I wanted to do this video to address that question. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you currently have social media? Does social media drive you a lot of traffic? Yes or no? Have you been successful with Etsy without social media? Let me know your comments in the comment section below. We could all learn and grow from each other. And thank you guys for watching.